This is Oscar with R3 Auto Detailing, and we offer both mobile detailing services and shop-based services to the Houston and surrounding area. So if you need any type of interior or exterior detailing services, like a premium wash, a wash and wax, paint correction, ceramic coating, headlight restoration, engine cleaning, a deep interior cleaning, or even smoke odor removal inside your interior, then we can definitely handle that for you. As of right now, we have over 100 5-star reviews on our Google listing. And that's because we know what we're doing. Whether it's for the interior or the exterior, whether you think your condition is too far gone or not, we're more than happy to take care of it. If your interior has been cleaned in years, maybe there's been a lot of dogs, pets, kids, family, what have you, we've handled those type of interiors. If it's been forever since you last polished the vehicle, the shine isn't there, that gloss isn't there, we can handle that with our paint correction services. If you want some extensive protection on your paint and you want to go with a ceramic coating, we can handle that for you. So whatever your needs are for the interior or the exterior, more likely than not, we've gone through several of those conditions. So don't ever feel bad or think it's too far gone or think that there's nothing that you can do with your vehicle, because we're more than happy to take a look at it, and we're up for the challenge on whatever you have. Our goal is to get you booked in as soon as we can, but that's gonna differ based on the workload for the week and whether you want mobile detailing services or if you'd like to bring it into us. Regardless, you let us know what's the most convenient time and date for you, and we will do our best to schedule that in, or to just do our best to fit you in to the time slot that works best for you. Depending on the service that you need, it might take 4 hours, it might take 2 hours, or if it's more of an extensive service like paint correction, smoke odor removal, those can take up to days to complete. It really just depends on the condition that your vehicle's in, the severity of that condition, and then the size that it is. For instance, our smoke odor removal services, those typically take 2 days to complete. For a paint correction and ceramic coating, that could take 1 day, that could take a day and a half. It just depends on your specific vehicle. If you're interested in getting more information about our services, whether it's mobile or at our shop, you can click the first link down in the video description box to get more information. We'd be more than happy to take a look at your car, give you an estimate, and answer literally any question that you have about the detailing services that you need. We're just here to give you the proper information so you can make the best decision on whether or not you need whatever service you're looking for. We look forward to hearing from you soon.